This is a solution to problem number 1 from the junior contest number 1 on probability from September of 2005. I'm going to assume that you've read the problem. First thing that I want to do is write down all the probabilities that we were given. We are told that if the Green Sox are losing when they go into the 7th inning, the probability that they are going to win is 0.2. Then we are told if they are tied going into the 7th inning, the probability that they win is 0.6. Lastly, we are told that if they are winning going into the 7th, then the probability that they win is 0.9. From there, we are told the probability of winning going into the 7th is 0.4. The probability of losing going into the 7th is 0.4. That means the probability of tying going into the 7th is 0.2. These have to sum to 1. Remember, these all refer to the 7th inning. I want to know the proportion or the percentage of games that they win. Now, there are 3 options here. Either you can win and you were losing going into the 7th, or you won and you were tied going into the 7th, or you won and you were winning going into the 7th. So this would be the probability of winning given that I was losing going into the 7th times the probability of losing. And then the probability of winning given that I was tied going into the 7th times the probability of being tied. And the probability of winning given that I was winning going into the 7th times the probability of winning going into the 7th. This is just conditional probability, because remember the probability of A given B is the probability of A and B over the probability of B. So all I did was solve for that numerator. Okay, so substituting in, that's going to be 0.2 times 0.4, 0.6 times 0.2, and then 0.9 times 0.4. When I simplify all of that, I get 0.56. The question asks for a percent though, so that would be 56% of the time.